Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku in today's newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, let me show you. It's Tuesday. Tuesday, June the 4th, 2024. And in today's newspaper, I've told you earlier, we have an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And news of today, well, weather news. It's high water in Germany, South Germany. There's a heavy rainfall there, so meters of high water. Yeah, the rivers. Yeah, it's climate change. Climate change. So we need to be how you say that yeah, there's an election in coming Thursday, so the climate is very important for us the coming years because yeah, heavy rainfall, heavy snowfall, heavy the weather is very is changed, yeah, by the climate change. Enough about the climate. Let's go back to the puzzle. The puzzle, Four Stars Sudoku number 8651. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 24, this one. Well, publisher. This one has 24. For 4 Stars Sudoku, you have all the 4 Stars Sudoku has 24 printed digits. It's, yeah, for 4 Stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 Stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 twos. We have here 3 threes. 3 fours. 1 5. 3 sixes. 2 3 sevens. 1 8 and 2 nines. It's divided. I cannot choose any number. But we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this column, so no 2 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. 3 missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. And look, we have 4 and a 5 in this row. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for number 9. Oh wait, 9, 9, 7. Yeah. Need an 8 here. Need a 1 here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. Last column. So the column between the only place left of 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5, 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 4 here. Need an 8 there. Well. 3, 3. Need a 5. Need an 8. Need a 2 here. Well. Two. Need a 6 there. Need a 4 here. Well, in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. Here can be 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. So the 4 in the first column could be here, or there. We see another 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 in the third row. No 4 there. The only place left for the 4 in the first column. A should be there. All right. Need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this first column. One of the missing numbers is 5. Well, here can be 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. Here in these two boxes can be 5. We have a 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 in the first column could be here, could be there, here or there. We see another 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5. It should be there. 5. Okay. Well, in this column, we need also a 5. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. So the 5 in this column could be here, or there. We see another 5 in the first row. No 5 there. 5 in the third row. No 5 there. Only place left for 5 in this column. It should be there. All right. One. Need a 2. Need a 9. 1, 2, 9, and a 6. Need a 6. Well, I'm thinking. 7. Need a 6 there. I'm thinking. 3, 3, 3. 2. 3, 2. I'm thinking 9, 1, 9. Yep. 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9, 1, 3, 9. And look, we have 1 in this column, so no 1 there. We have also a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in the second row should be there. So the 3 and the 9 are left. Let me mark this. Oh, I hate to split those numbers. 3 and a 9, okay. All right. 2. How about here? You know, 1 here. Yep. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 1, 7, 8. 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8. And look, we have 1 and 7 in this big square, so no 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in the first row. No 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 is left in this column for number 8. 3, 3. Need a 2. Need a 2. Need a 6 here. Need a 2, 3, 5. Well. Let me think. 5. Come on. 8. Need an 8 there. Need a 3 here. 3, 9, 2, and 2 and 8. Yeah. Come on, need a 3 here. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, no, need to place level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the middle row, so no 3 in this box. So 3 could be here, could be there. So we have 3 in one of those two boxes in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above the only two places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3 and a 9. We have a 3 now in the second column, so here can be a 3 anymore. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. Alright. And now, let me see. 7, 2, 8, and 9. 2, 8. Yeah. Thinking. Need a 5. Need a 2 here. About here. 2. Need a 1 here. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6. Yeah. I need a 4 here. 4 here. Come on. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place level 1. Should be there. Overlooked. 1. 2, 6, 9. 3 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing number in the first column is the number 9. Here can be 9 because we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. So the 9 in the first column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright, 2 and 6. 2 missing numbers now in the first column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the third row, 2 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 2 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes that appear in this big square. The numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7. Alright, need 8. Need a 2. Need a 4 here. Alright. 8 and a 9. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2 is missing. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Let me mark those. Need a 7 here. Need an 8 here. 1. Well. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in the last column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then, we have all the 5s. Nope. We have a pair. I believe the 5 and the 7 in this row. the 5 and the 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left for the 5 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 7 goes there. 2 and the 7, we have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 2 goes there. 1 and 2, we have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then 9 and 4. 2 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the rest of the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the rest. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only two places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and the 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well. 4 stars now, 3 stars now. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 1 star. It's a 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle, 15 to 20 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.